Hello and welcome to the IoTVlogs YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of music players, and not just any music player, but what many consider to be the crown jewel of Windows users, the Foobar2000. There are lots of music players available for Windows users, but what makes Foobar2000 the best, you might ask? It has a sleek, minimalist interface. I mean, as minimalist as a music player could get, and above all, lightweight software that just works. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry. I'll guide you to install Foobar2000 and explore its user interface, which will elevate your listening experience to new heights. In my own opinion, Foobar2000 is not just another music player, but a must-have tool for music lovers on Windows. Let's get started. So here you can see their homepage. I'm sure you can search on Google and visit this website, foobar2000.org. On the homepage, they have a download link and they have some main features, highlights. You can read this yourself, but we are interested in the download section. And then I would recommend you to download the stable version, the latest one, stable version. And I'm using the 64-bit of Windows. That's why I'll click here. And it has already started downloading. I'll click Show in Finder. You can see the download is can be seen in my downloads folder. So I'll double click on this, click on Next, and you'll read this. If you agree, then you'll click on I agree button. Right now I'll click on I agree button. I'll choose the standard installation and click on Next. I'll give the permission and the default location is fine. I'll just press Next and hit on Install. It's a very lightweight program. That's why I'm installing. And yeah, you can click on Finish and you can see some of the shortcuts, or like basically they're asking you if you'd like to change something else, but I'll just click on Cancel. I'm fine with this default view. One thing I do is just increase this. This is the volume slider and this is the progress bar. So I'll just close it right now. And on the desktop, if you have any music file, since for a copyright issue, I cannot show any music file, but I have one audio recording from my previous video. So what I'll do, if it is like a music file, it should have, let me show you. It will have .mp3 extension, but this is since like a recording, that's why it has WAV. But anyway, what you will do is just right click your music file, click on Open With, and then click here, choose another app. Then click on Foobar2000. You can see it was like the default player. Now click on this checkbox. Always use this app to open WAV files. If you try to listen to music, it will be .mp3 files. Okay. Next, I'll click on this OK button. So I believe you can listen, but the microphone is not. This is the progress. Let me see if I can. The most popular one, in my opinion, would be the performance one. Hello and welcome to the IoTVlogs YouTube channel. Today's video is the most popular one, in my opinion, would be the performance one. And if you double click, see, is the expanded view. See, this is the actual music player. I don't know if you have heard this or not. So, and also it is showing all the information like 48 kilohertz, and this is a mono recording. It was like my voice. But anyway, the highlight is this player. It's a very lightweight player, and there is lots of ways you can do customization, but I prefer only this way. You can click here and I believe you can make some of the sections visible or not. You can right click. Yes, you can see that there are some options. You can let's say you don't want the seek bar over here. So what you will do is uncheck this and the entire thing becomes the volume tab. But I want the seek bar up there. And also you can have some visualization. Let me volume down and playback. You can hit the I believe, yeah, it's playing. And right now if I click on view, you click on visualization, there are like multiple options you can do the visualization. What I can do is just click on oscilloscope. You can double click to maximize. This will respond to the according to the recording, like how the recording is. And then we can visualization, click on peak meter. These are mostly used for like recordings or like music productions. Not that much. Here is the 0 decibel, is the clipping point. We are not interested there. Let's click on view, visualization, then spectrogram. Again, these are mostly used for like, I don't know, like maybe noise reduction or something in audio productions. And also let's explore spectrum. Yeah, you can see these are more like equalizers, like 50 hertz to up to, let's say, 20 kilohertz. And you can see this is the maximum like clipping point, 0 decibel. And yeah, this is the human voice range. You can basically have this kind of visualization if you have a like longer playback, like and you don't want to definitely show your desktop stuffs or anything else. You just make this full screen and so on. Although this is not the best one, but at least it will do the job. Let's check the last one, is the view meter. Oh, okay. So this is the music player. It's a very lightweight one. And next time, if you just double click on your music file, it should automatically open this Foobar2000. It's a very lightweight one. That's why I choose over any other music players on Windows. Okay, and remember, for if you have like MP3 files, it's the same procedure. Right click, open with, and you have to choose the default one as this one, and then click on always use this app to open .mp3 files. Okay, so this is that's all for this video. Thanks for your time, attention, and patience. Thank you.